So what's up guys, I'm Dynamic Dark and I'm back with Navy Dragon.
Hey guys, welcome back. Navy Dragon here with Dynamic Dark. We're playing Among Us today. Why don't I let him throw in the information about the games and what we're going to be doing exactly
Well,
today?
you already knew that we are going to be playing Among Us as you read the title, of course. So, without without further delay, let's get the intro started. So here we have started the game and we are trying out the airship map today. So what do you think?
Airship map today.
कौन बनेगा imposter?
Let's see. It'll be interesting.
It will be.
I'm still stuck on a blank screen, by the way.
Same. I don't know why.
Is it just taking time to curate
No.
the imposter and
Oh god.
crewmate?
Human.
Hat yaar, crewmate.
Timing. What? What is this? By the way, I'm
ये
playing.
क्या है? किचन मेन हॉल रिकॉर्ड्स किचन में गया
मैं भी किचन में हूँ.
सब भुक्कड़ लोग किचन
किचन में आओ सब. ओ भाई ये चाकू लेके मर्डर.
Dude, I think this map has parts to it. Dude, Ari.
मेरे को मेरे
Oh,
task ही नहीं
dude,
पता
wow.
भाई.
Dude, I have hands.
I know. We
No,
have
no,
hands.
in the game.
I know.
Like I climbed a ladder.
I know. Don't kill me, dude.
I'm not going to, come on. I said I'm not the imposter.
Well, we can't trust you right now. Because last time you got
Says
to
the
know.
most untrustworthy person in the game.
Yeah, I have a gun. Lol.
What?
I have a gun.
That means you're the imposter. You're the
Oh,
imposter.
I got killed. Dude, a guy literally walked past my body and didn't report it. Yep, now it's being reported. Hey, different noise.
Yeah, I think this map has different speakers. Okay. Why do I suspect fire?
What? Why are people leaving the game, man?
I think it's fire.
I won't say anything. I can't ruin the game.
Sunny mice. अबे I want to report. कैसे करते? कर दिया. हाँ.
Well, for your information, he isn't the imposter.
I know he's not. It's that white guy.
Dude.
Dude, this animation.
This is
Wow.
so cool, man.
Bola, I suspect fire. Shit.
Well,
Abey, I
that was a
want to
very
write-
short game. We'll be playing 2 to 3
Yeah, that was-
games now. That was too short, dude.
2 to 3. He'll play like 4
4
to
to
5.
5
Everything
actually.
is that short.
Yup, if.
Stop following me. Stop. Arey, stop. So bad at anticipating my moves.
चुप बिल्कुल चुप हिम्मत कैसे हुई तेरी मुंह खोलने की?
Let's start.
I
Let's-
caught you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
Very
times.
good. I caught you 10 times. Chal.
I caught you more times. जो भी.
Very
जो
good.
भी.
जो भी.
कुछ भी
I agree with you.
Man, I had a dream where I had like a 144 hertz monitor.
You had a dream or you really have a 144 hertz monitor?
No, I have a 75 hertz monitor. I'm going to kitchen again.
I am in the kitchen.
क्या रे बुक्कड़ एदिक follow me 1 minute.
आ रहा हूँ
Dude, come here.
आ रहा हूँ
I don't trust you. You're because तेरा reaction नहीं था. You're the killer. बोल दिया. I told you you're the killer. But no one else came to the kitchen except the. अबे रूबी पिप इधर ही है.
वो भी
Will you just
imposter
do
है.
me? वही पूछना था. Will you just do me a favor and tell me if he's the second imposter?
Ruby pit, whatever that is.
Ruby pip.
हाँ Ruby. Oh Ruby Pampara. Ruby Parampa.
Jibidi Pram.
Sorry for
It's
the bad.
Ruby Dooby. Finally, someone reported that I did.
I reported the body, dude. Where was it? I forgot.
Kitchen.
हाँ.
Kitchen ना? Kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen corridor technically.
Kitchen. अरे हार बनी रही थे बाबा. जाने दो.
अबे इतना लोग are leaving man.
It looks like this will be a short term. Why is he? कौन है गोल्ड?
अबे मैं मर गया हूँ क्या? उनबुक लिख रहा है. Idiot. GG.
What?
अबे.
What was that? Don't know why. Is it like a
this
role
map
if you...
में this map में games are just generally shorter I guess.
Me. Gordon, me, unbook. Wow.
Hi. King Gordon report. Inappropriate harassment / misconduct. चलो.
ऐसे हालात में बेहतर यही है कि वक्त रहते इंसान सतर्क होकर अपने जज्बात को काबू में रखकर अपने कदम पीछे हटा ले और अपनी जिंदगी को एक नई दिशा की तरफ मोड़ने की कोशिश करें। आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी क्राइम पेट्रोल सतर्क में एक और नए केस के साथ। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखें, सुरक्षित रहें और याद रखें, सही वक्त सही कदम, सतर्क रहें। जय हिंद।
Let's start.
डाल दिया मैंने.
Lol. Damn, that was nice, man.
अब से I will stop reacting to whatever I get. Crewmate रहने दे, imposter रहने दे.
Are you sure about that?
There's no other option. Because you won't be if you react, then anyone can guess whether you're the crewmate or imposter. And why am I stuck on the blank screen again?
Everyone is. I think this game is just slow as heck. This map. It's just an unoptimized map.
I'm in the kitchen again. No, where am I? No, where am I? I forgot.
I don't even have an option for kitchen anymore.
I'm in the vault. Where are you?
I didn't get option for either.
What you do get option?
No, मतलब मेरे को ward सब ने दिखाया. It showed me engine room ये वो सब.
I know. Hello? Use. Oh yes, I too have hands. I'm not doing the task. I'm just roaming around actually. Wow.
Dude, this map is so cool though.
Yep. Much cooler than the scaled one actually. I'll be honest.
Yeah, it looks cooler to be honest, but इसमें games are just way too short.
Yeah, actually. Don't come to kill me. I saw you. What? Where was it?
किधर? Where?
Where was
How
it?
do you ask where? अरे
डाल दे.
हाँ इधर. अबे नट्टी पेरेस become again according to me यार.
I don't know why I was sus on you.
हाँ तू हमेशा वही कर. I'm skipping vote. No.
Nutty pair. Double. Oh.
Dublo.
No one.
Hi Dublo. No one was it. What? Oh, because मैंने और एक और person ने skip किया.
I'm in records. Where are you?
Dude, you can choose every time. That's so cool. I can't walk.
What? Then
Yeah,
get a
मेरा
wheelchair.
game is stuck and I can't walk. My game crashed, Ray. I think my game crashed.
Try, but don't crash. Sorry. Who's Ray?
Okay. Arey, there is this glitch where if I click FN and W,
हाँ.
FN and W, if I click, no, it switches the game keys to arrow keys.
I knew it. I knew it.
GG. You didn't
can't.
vote me. जान के क्या करेगा फिर?
I
Nice,
will remember
finally.
this betrayal.
Aha, I have remembered about 100 betrayals now.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Never mind. You just तेरा 100 से 99 हो गया समझ ले. Betrayal.
Don't worry, I'll put it to 100 again. Make it 100 again.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry. बस keys गया.
Yes, now you can't. Why are people leaving the game? Please don't do that.
Stop it. Get some.
Man, I wish I actually had a 144 Hz monitor. Wow.
Sell the
The
one you
dream
have.
was so awesome. Not now, not yet. Not yet. I'll look into it after. I'll go to Brig. Briga.
I'm in records.
Dude, so many people are in Brig. There are like 7 people here.
तो मारा जाएगा तो.
Dude, there is this admin thing on the airship also. I can see everyone.
Now tell me where I am.
That's cool. No, not as name nahi. You can see where one player is where.
नीचे
तो
जा
मेरे
रहे
पीछे कोई आया तो I can tell immediately and run away.
हैं. Oh नहीं. अरे भाई मैं अब भी मुश्किल से लैडर चढ़ा. I was looking at the map and now like.
Aha, I trust you. Oh, you fixed the lights.
Yes.
Okay. मैं भी उसके लिए आया.
I actually didn't fix the lights. I was going to fix the lights, but the lights already got fixed. But I'm not the imposter. Don't worry. I won't kill you today, because I'm not the imposter.
I don't trust you.
Why? Why?
The last person I trusted was
Me.
John Wick. Huh?
What?
Me.
The
I don't
people
know. I
leaving
wanted
the
to say
game.
something senseless. Me. Come on.
Alright,
Turn the radio on.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't.
Never mind. I think many people clicked off your video already.
Why must you hurt me in this way?
Harsh.
Why are you roasting me on my channel?
अरे वापस लाइट गया.
Shit, why am I? भाई जाएगा आगे. अरे आगे ही नहीं जा रहा गेट में. हाँ.
नहीं लाइट चल रहा है.
No. I don't know why I was stuck at the gate.
Body reported. Dumb hacks.
The hacks is dumb.
Killer.
Yeah.
I was standing alone with him for so long
Chad
and he
car.
didn't kill me.
What? Lazy
Chalo,
test.
okay.
Lazy test. I'm telling you. कुछ
ठीक
भी.
है, if it isn't you, I'll vote lazy test.
मैं lazy test पे कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को नहीं पता. I was not the imposter यार.
How do I know? How am I supposed to know, man? You're good at.
This time I
Wow, yeah, you're dying in the
actually
game.
wasn't the imposter. It's late.
I completely believe you. Dekh, now but I know one thing.
What?
That there one imposter has already been thrown out.
How?
क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि when there are 2 imposters and 2 crewmates, the imposters win. But now only 3 players are left and 4 players are left, and we didn't lose.
Point.
It's big brain time.
Point.
That means there is only.
Dude, I have to
अबे
get-
dumb hacks है. Has to be dumb hacks.
Nope. I'm pretty sure it's not dumb hacks. It's why did Brown take my
Lazy.
name without any reason? Lol,
नहीं,
it's not dumb hack.
कभी you can suss the wrong people. इसमें how do you even call an emergency meeting? Another dead. Shit. Lazy test. It's lazy test. Crew
I can't say it.
lazy test.
I saw something I can't say.
मतलब crime order है.
Yep.
Crime order है मतलब. Oh crap.
It's going to be a tie. Don't.
Crap. No. It's crime mode. मेरे को वोट करने वाला है. नहीं हार जाएंगे. It's not going to be a tie.
Oh.
Oh yes, yes. Okay, thank God.
8 seconds.
Where are you, my friend?
The match isn't started.
Hey, black screen, black screen, black screen, black screen, black screen, black screen, racist.
अभी तक black screen. No, it's not.
Racist. Should
नहीं.
be ashamed of yourself. अरे यार, हट. Useless.
Oh,
I didn't respond. मतलब बहुत late respond किया मैंने इस बार. I extremely sus you right now
Why?
because you're a very suspicious person in life.
Watching the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell whenever I upload a new video. We'll be back with Navy Dragon Dynamic
Don't
Dark.
forget to slap the like button and also go to my channel Navy Dragon.
Well, I'll be linking his channel in the comment section and in the description. Make sure to check out his channel too. Navy Dragon Dynamic Dark Swimming.